Munini wa President Kithure Kindiki niwawetaka nukwendeea kukwata ambao President William Ruto ngina kuvikia umwe wa nthi maendeleo wiananu wa nthi yena usiao museo ni wasakanao na Raila Odinga ndane vikia kuosa kivila cha mwenekivila wa AU ni mautungia muvea nundu wa kwithiweta mbee ya Raila kuosa kivila kiji kwetu mbao nindi mbee wa miongweli kuma Africa ingini wasakana ethi wa President William Ruto munene wa maminista wa tene Atongoi onthe na Enenthi makakwatana makakandhi na mugo yeno sesei na nthi ikusonga na mbee. Daniel Mongela na mauvo
itina wa ndongoi ya chama cha ODM Raila Odinga kwase kivila cha uchairman wa AUC kilona ng'ang'ania kwi muthani wa iyo yu munini wa musumbi wa nthi ya Kenya Kithure Kindiki ni waelesekana musumbi wa nthi ya Kenya na ndongoi ya chama cha ODM Raila Odinga ni Maile kuendea kukwatianie vamwe undu mwanisi ngwatanio thini wa king'ang'anio chu nikienda kuendea na uthukuma nthi ya Kenya.
Kidogo jana tumekuwa na kama nchi tulikuwa tunatafuta mmoja wetu kuongoza bara la Afrika lakini hatukufanikiwa. I just want to thank our president, I want to thank our former prime minister and those who supported our candidate. And even if we did not succeed, I think we came out strongly because we got the support of over 20 African nations. 20 African presidents, more than 20 actually voted for our candidates. And we thank God, hata kama siku yetu haikufika jana, our day will come in future. We just want to ask that the president and the former prime minister and all the leaders will continue working together to build the unity of Kenya, secure peace and stability for our country. The same way we were working together in that project, even if we didn't succeed. I pray going forward that the president, the retired prime minister, and all leaders, present and past, will work for national unity so that we can move the development of our country to the next level.
Woivindane yu ni wende ya ukathia undu kanisa wende kuthukuma kwa vakuve na silikali ndaelesekana ta kanisa wena kianda kinene cha ukosoa silikali na kuthukuma kwa vakuve na Atongoi mao yu.
We are very proud to see the church working together, present and past leaders, helping society, helping the church to remain united. Because it is only that way that the church can be a strong voice and the church can have a moral authority to correct government when the church itself is organized, disciplined, and pursuing the things that God would want the church to pursue.
Wonde ukaivindani la Kenya maende na kukilia mawoni meki vuthukanio yulua kusindwa kwa ndongoi ya chama cha ODM Raila Odinga thini wa king'ang'anio cha umantha mwenekivila wa AUC kwi muthani wayo amu mayoneka kutania kwa seku nangi mayonania uthilikuo ku angi yuma imwenda akwatianie Atongoi alangi ukalikoni wa ulei. Daniel Mongela, Mutungu TV, kumva kauntini ya Masako.